In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Outlook Calendar with Slack. By the end, you'll be able to connect your Outlook Calendar to Slack so you can manage meetings, get timely notifications, and keep your Slack status in sync automatically. I'll also show you how a third-party option can extend this even further if you want events posted to channels. First, we'll use the official Outlook Calendar app for Slack to connect your accounts. This is the simplest and most reliable way to bring your schedule into Slack. Add the Outlook Calendar app to your workspace, then sign in with your Microsoft account and grant the requested permissions so the app can read your calendar and update your status. Once connected, you can choose which calendar to use if you have more than one, and confirm basic preferences. Right away, you'll start getting helpful notifications in Slack. Expect reminders before meetings, quick options to RSVP, and one-click access to join calls. If your invite includes an online meeting link, you can jump straight in without digging through emails. The app also syncs your Slack status when a meeting starts, marking you as busy and optionally muting notifications, then switching you back when the meeting ends. This is great for signaling availability to teammates without manual updates. Take a moment to fine-tune the app settings. You can adjust reminder timing to match your workflow, turn on or off status sync, and pick which types of updates you want to see. If you travel or work across time zones, confirm your Slack time zone so reminders arrive when you expect them. And if you share your screen often, consider trimming the information shown in notifications to avoid displaying sensitive meeting details. If you need more advanced automation, like automatically posting calendar events into specific Slack channels, you can use a third-party tool such as ZZBots. With ZZBots, you can set rules that publish new or upcoming events to a designated channel, include event titles, times, and links, and filter by calendar or keyword so only relevant items are posted. This is especially useful for team-wide schedules, shared resources, or project milestones. Be sure to review permissions before enabling any third-party integration, and test in a private or temporary channel to confirm the formatting looks right. That's it. Use the official Outlook Calendar app for seamless day-to-day scheduling inside Slack, and add ZZBots if you want automated event posts and channels. With both in place, your calendar and conversations stay in sync, and your team stays informed.